Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is seeing a bit of a breakdown move after an aggressive bounce in a move that gave us a high above the 0.5825, and at the time of this recording we are now holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We are also holding above the key area of support above the 0.5156, and that continues to hold. And on today's video I will be discussing my breakdown target areas, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and the Fibonacci's, and starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening. You can all see that on the 5th of August we saw a massive breakdown move in a move that gave us a low below the 0.3357 before we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first picked in this Elliot wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in this Elliot wave count 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts. Then we started another massive breakout to the upside in what I have been terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas we have now fully maximized. And the minimum target areas for the third wave I gave you by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.5185, an area that we fully maximized. We continued to push even higher in a move that almost fully maximized the fib level 2.618 at the 0.5996, and at the time of this recording there are high chances that now we have a high in place in this Elliot wave count 3 above the 0.5825, and whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of a corrective structure in this Elliot wave count 4, and the minimum target areas for that Elliot wave count 4 can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high, that is the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area into the area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, and that perfectly lies between the 0.5091 and the 0.486, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to see this breakdown move, and maybe at some point also lose support on the 0.5156, and once that plays out, then I will be expecting Matic to fully maximize this blue target area, give us a low in place for that Elliot wave count 4 before we can see another bounce back to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Matic chart for the next coming hours, and this is the target area that we need to continue paying attention to for the next coming hours. So that is all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.